All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India on Wednesday successfully flight tested the second phase of its ballistic missile defense system, demonstrating homegrown capabilities to defend against hostile missiles having a range of 5,000 kilometers. The flight test fully met all the trial objectives, validating complete network-centric warfare weapon system, the Defense Ministry said. The missile was tested at the Integrated Test Range, ITR, in Odisha's Chandipur. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh complimented the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, for the successful flight test and stated that it has again demonstrated India's ballistic missiles defense capability. The ministry said, the DRDO successfully flight tested Phase 2 ballistic missile defense system on 24 July. The target missile was launched at 16:20 hours, mimicking an adversary ballistic missile, which was detected by weapon system radars deployed on land and sea and activated the interceptor system. The ministry also said that the Phase 2 AD endo-atmospheric missile was launched from LC-3 at ITR, Chandipur at 1624 hours. The Phase 2 AD endo-atmospheric missile is an indigenously developed two-stage solid-propelled ground-launched missile system meant for neutralizing many types of enemy ballistic missile threats in the altitude bracket of endo to low exo-atmospheric regions. The exo-atmospheric missiles are capable of completing missions in the uppermost region of the Earth's atmosphere. The endo-atmospheric missiles are the ones that operate within the Earth's atmosphere that covers an altitude below 100 kilometers, according to experts. The Defense Ministry said the flight test fully met all the trial objectives, validating a complete network-centric warfare weapon system consisting of long-range sensors, low-latency communication system and advanced interceptor missiles. The ministry said in a statement, the test has demonstrated the nation's indigenous capability to defend against the ballistic missiles of 5,000 kilometers class. The performance of the missile was monitored from the flight data captured by range tracking instruments like electro-optical systems, radar and telemetry stations deployed by ITR, Chandipur at various locations including on-board ship. India has been developing capabilities to intercept hostile ballistic missiles both inside and outside the Earth's atmospheric limits. A number of state-of-the-art indigenous technologies developed by various DRDO laboratories have been incorporated in the missile system. In April 2023, DRDO and Indian Navy carried out the maiden flight trial of sea-based endo-atmospheric interceptor missile off the coast of Odisha, displaying the country's naval ballistic missile defense capabilities to intercept long-range missiles. In November 2022, DRDO successfully tested for the first time a long-range interceptor missile, called AD-1, designed for both exo-atmospheric and endo-atmospheric interception of ballistic missiles. The DRDO is collaborating with the private sector, MSMEs and academia to focus on deep tech areas like artificial intelligence, robotics, cyber security, unmanned systems, advanced materials including dual-use technology, where rapid innovation can significantly enhance defense capabilities. According to the ministry, the Technology Development Fund, TDF, scheme is encouraging the participation of private industries, especially startups and MSMEs, creating an ecosystem aimed at enhancing the capabilities in cutting-edge technology and promoting Atma Nirbharta in defense.